Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we will continue our PdPR for English lesson. So the topic we will learn today is about the beginning sound of words. Okay, look at your book. There are 8 pictures in your book. So for each picture, I want you to identify the beginning sound. Okay, I will name all of these pictures and you listen carefully and identify the beginning sound. So before we start, I want you to remember phonic sound for each letter. Okay, so here we have N. The sound is N. Okay, T. The sound is T. R. The sound is R. V. The sound is V. Q. The sound is K. I. The sound is E. D. The sound is D. And H. The sound is H. So clear? Okay, now we'll look at picture number 1. Okay, this is a dog. Dog. So the beginning sound is D. D. So which of these letters sound D? Okay, that's right. It's a D. D. Dog. Okay, we move to number 2. I want you to identify the beginning sound. Okay, this is a queen. Queen. Okay, number 3. Igloo. Igloo. Number 4.
Ring. Ring.
Number 5. Hat. Hat. Number 6. Tiger. Tiger. Number 7. Nose. Nose. Good. Number 8. Van. Van. Alright. So I have named all of these pictures and you need to identify the beginning sound. Okay, this is your task. Okay, please fill in the blank with the sound here. Okay, that's all for today and good luck everyone. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.